Hi folks, today I am going to explain very simplest program in Python, that is finding sum of two numbers. Here num1 is equal to int of input of enter first number. It is the string which will come in output. Here I am asking to put second number, so here we are accepting only integer. So here I am typecasting those numbers. If it is in float number, it will convert to integer. So here I am printing the number 1 plus number 2 is equal to it will assign the assigned number will be represented here, and the assigned num2 will be assigned to here. Then it will add, so then we will get our output. So print this 5, again adding 7, num1 plus num2 is equal to 12. Let us check for float number 2.22, enter. So it will show the error, that is invalid literal for int with base 10 2.22. So we should input only integer number. We are accepting only integer number. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.